Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki A-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to connect Android Auto. Suzuki A-Cross has wireless Android Auto connection. In order to set up it, let's go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Connect New Phone or Connect Your Phone. As you can see here, we can use the smartphone as Android Auto. Switch this button on. Now, on the smartphone, confirm. And it's done. To disconnect it, let's go to Menu and Suzuki. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.